Hello class 11th. Today we will see the world of the blood, which is same whether we belong to whatever be the race. We are fighting with each other for caste and creed, but blood is same and made up of RBC, WBC and platelets. RBCs carries or transports the oxygen with the help of hemoglobin. These RBCs are having a special type of the protein present in it, which makes it different from the other's blood. If suppose this protein which is being attached to the RBC will not allow the other antigens to come in that blood, it is of a specific type A and B. The antigen A and antigen B. If only two antigens are there, how we are getting four blood groups? That is the biggest question. So in that case, if a person is having A antigen, it will be classified as A. If a person is having in RBC B antigen, that is called B. And if none of the antigen is present, then it is known as O, or rather 0. If two parents, one with O and B blood group, gives an offspring, that will have B blood group, because A and B are the dominating one, showing the complete dominance as the Mendel's law. But if it is the case of A and B, then they are showing the codominance, means both A and B are capable of expressing themselves and they will be able to receive the blood from A, B and O blood group. That is why it is also called as universal recipient, while O blood group cannot get the blood from A, B or AB. So they are able to give the blood to all the other person. That is why they are known as universal donor. If suppose we are giving a blood of B blood group to a person having the A blood group, then in that case these antigens which are present in the blood of that organism, they will not allow the B antigen to survive there, causing the coagulation of the blood, leading to the death of that person. But in case of AB, because both A and B antigens are present, the person will be able to survive. So transfusion is done on the basis of the type of the blood group present. O blood group, because absence of any type of the antigen allows both A and B blood group to survive, but O will not get the blood group. But it is not as simple as that. Only the antigens are not responsible. There is a factor known as rhesus factor coming from the monkeys that shows if this rhesus factor is present, it is called Rh positive. If this rhesus factor is absent, it is called Rh negative. It is very important in case of the pregnancy, because if the female is Rh negative and the male is Rh positive, then in that case during the first pregnancy, the pregnancy will be normal but having an anemic condition or hemolytic condition. But in the next pregnancy, the child will not be able to survive. Although in certain cases it is related to the different type of the races of the human beings, but the most important thing is the blood related problems arises if the Rh factors are different. If you think all the organisms they are having the similar blood group, mammals, in case of male, female, child, we can have